Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza chutney easy guide. First, gather tomatoes, onions, garlic, spices, and herbs so you can move smoothly. Chop ingredients uniformly and keep a blender ready for a pulpy texture. Cook over medium heat, stirring often to avoid burning and to develop flavor. Taste and adjust seasoning, then jar hot into sterilized containers and seal while warm to preserve freshness. In this video, I will explain how to make pizza chutney easy guide. Begin by heating oil, then saute onions and garlic until soft and slightly golden. Add chopped tomatoes and your spice mix, then lower heat to simmer gently so flavors meld. Cook until the mixture thickens to a chutney consistency and becomes glossy. Cool a little before transferring to jars, and taste once cooled to tweak seasoning if needed. In this video, I will explain how to make pizza chutney easy guide. Quick recommendation: if you love reading recipes in any kitchen, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for bright displays and long battery life, so you can follow steps hands-free. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like to support more quick cooking tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make pizza chutney easy guide. For balanced flavor, add a pinch of sugar to counter tomato acidity and deepen taste. Stir in herbs like basil or oregano near the end to retain fresh aroma and vibrant color. Adjust chili to your heat tolerance and consider a splash of vinegar for tang. Let chutney rest so flavors settle before serving or sealing in jars.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.